Kumar. Welcome to Technical Button. Today I am going to make Arduino related project, that is Music Reactive LED, and how you can make it easily at your home. So let's start the video. For this project you have to require these things. First we have used this male to female jumper wire to connect this sound sensor into Arduino Uno board. So let's connect this. Now this digital output pin connects to pin number 3 of Arduino Uno. And this positive pin goes to 5-volt pin of Arduino Uno. And this negative ground pin goes to GND pin of Arduino. Now the sound sensor and Arduino Uno connection is completed. Let's make the other connections on the breadboard. Now in breadboard, positive and negative pin of LED goes to where you want. Now we can use this male to male jumper to connect this LED into Arduino Uno. So let's make it. And this orange one is the positive pin, and this goes to pin number 7 of Arduino Uno. And this yellow is the negative pin, and this goes to ground of the Arduino Uno. Now the setup is fully completed. So the final part is coding. So let's start the coding part. Now we use this Arduino Uno cable to connect this Uno board into PC for coding. So before connecting this USB cable into laptop, we have to use this USB to C type OTG cable. So you can see that in Arduino Uno the light is blinking. So you can see that LED is blinking when I make clap. So here is the Arduino software. Just open it. In this we have to write coding for Music Reactive LED. I have already written the code, so I just copy paste it here. For your simplicity, I have given this Arduino code in the description below. You can also download it to make your own project. So here is the Arduino code for Music Reactive LED. So let's verify the code. Yeah, it's done compiling. Now I just have to upload this code into Arduino Uno. So let's make it. So you can see that Arduino Uno is blinking and uploading its code. Many of you have confusion about which sound sensor you have to use in this project. So the answer is you can use any sound sensor, whether it is 4-pin or 3-pin. It doesn't matter. In 3-pin sound sensor, the first pin is for positive 5 volt, second one is ground, and third one is digital output pin. And the 4-pin sound sensor have first pin is for analog output, second ground, and third for positive output, and fourth is for digital output. So that's why it have 4 pins. One extra pin is here for analog output. So you can use any one of them, because we don't use analog output for making this Music Reactive LED. Here I have used white LED. You can use any LED you want. The yellow LED, red LED, and green, pink, orange. You can use any one of them. So it's time to check this Music Reactive LED. Hello, 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 hello.